Well, before I start doing some speed panning to concentrate some of this gold that's on the surface, I can give you a bonus tip. I'm going to go across this gravel bar top to bottom and see if there is a larger concentration of black sand in one spot or the other. Top of the gravel bar.
High concentration of black sand can indicate paystreaks of gold. The magnet speeds up the process finding that black sand.
First spot, next spot. Wow, there's a lot in that one. First, second, third. Yep, that was about the same as the first, less than the second. This one has probably the least amount of black sand. It's 1, 2, 3, fourth down.
Once you find that best concentration of black sand, that's when you want to start test panning.
That's pretty good, about consistent with the second one that had quite a bit. And probably the last one. Oh. Try and do it where it's dry. This one has an iron bit in it. That might mean that there's larger heavies right here, which translates to bigger gold possibly. This stretch right here, and then just on the shoulder of the top of the gravel bar up there. That was the best test with the magnet. So that was a spot that had a lot of black sand with a magnet. Here's the pan. It actually tested out pretty well. There's one decent sized flake you can see without squinting your eyes or getting your glasses on. But altogether, there's probably about 10 colors in there. Another pan, pretty consistent. That makes me happy. I'm just doing some production panning now, trying to get as many pans done before I have to leave.